Hi everyone, sorry for the long video, or sorry for the, I don't know, let's just hop into it. Also, please like and subscribe, it supports me a lot. Alright, so tutorial, create. Now, we got a server, so you want to add some bots, that's cool. We'll just go here, tutorial. So find your server. Okay. Here it is, set up MEE6. Also, before you set up MEE6, please make sure your account is verified. Like mine is. You just have to verify your email. Alright, let's get back. So, we want to set up MEE6. Alright. Signed in as Gaming Ninja YT. Yes, this is me. This requires you to have managed server permission in the server. Yes, you will have to have that. And you also have to have a verified account. Alright, you could choose what you want the bot to have and not have. I just wanted to have everything, so authorize. I'm not a robot. And now there we go. Everyone welcome MEE6. So basically, that's all you have to do. It just takes not that long. All you have to do is just verify your account. And if you don't know how to do that, ask a parent for some help. Okay? Part 2 of this video will be coming out very soon. If you haven't already, please go to my server or please come join my server anytime you'd like to. It's free. You don't have to buy anything. Just come join it anytime you want to. So boom, invite your friends and download this Discord app, which I did if I could find it somewhere. Yeah, I can't find it. Personalize your server with an icon, send your first message. So let's just say hello. There we go. Personalize your server icon. You just have to complete these few steps, these 4 steps. Or do my YouTube icon. Crop it, save changes, yes. And there we go. This is basically another tutorial for a place named tutorial. So yeah. If you have, also please follow me on Twitter. At CamGamer15. I have 90 followers. I'm trying to get up to 30. And yeah. Yeah, I like this one. Anyways, guys, also follow me on Instagram at CamGamer15. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed this small little tutorial. I'm trying to get it up to 25 subscribers. Thank you so much. If this video can get 5 likes, I will upload in the next few days or so. So thank you very much. See you later.